Hello, everyone, and welcome to a wonderful day here at Lerch RV, located in central Pennsylvania, Milroy, PA, to be exact. Uh, Excited right now to step to bring you into our first Paradigm fifth wheel to hit the lot. It's the Paradigm 370 FB by Alliance RV. This full-time livable luxury, high-end, exquisite fifth wheel. Like I said, just arrived this afternoon, and I wanted to jump in it real quick to give our social media viewers a very, very, very quick walkthrough of this beautiful unit. Some of the features you're going to notice right off the bat is the Insignia full-size range oven, 4 true burners. You can actually put 4 real pots on that bad boy there without having to take anything. It just gives you the camping chef, the appliance to actually cook just like you would at home. A lot of people are full-time in the alliances, so they are their homes. Dimmable LED ceiling light fixtures, just all kinds of neat little storage areas. Whereas you got the electric fireplace here, there's 2 levers down there. You pull this out, it gives you complete storage behind it. Just little neat features. Instead of wasted space, Alliance used it for storage. Sofa, triple cushion sofa along the rear. A great sofa you can actually lay out in. You can spread out, relax. Large window. I got the blind shut due to the sun's beating in right here. It's a warm fall day here at Lerch. Power recliners, live edge, freestanding dinette table, no pedestal. It's attached to the wall. 2 chairs, large kitchen island, extremely large kitchen island. One thing, if you're not sure, but with the Alliance RV and the Paradigm brand, is all the drawers are soft close. Soft close residential drawers. They have Ready Connect. So if you want to add a washer dryer, it's prepped up front. You want to add a dishwasher to this area, it's prepped underneath. The hot water line's already there. Every water valve to every fixture, the kitchen sink, the bathroom faucet, anything where there's a water outlet, there is a individual shutoff, just like as a in your house, like a residential fixture. Each one has its own shutoff valve. You don't have to shut the entire system down to work on one water fixture. Beautiful accent lighting throughout the entire trailer. You do have a nice large pantry here off to the left. Auto light fixture in there. Half bath off the main floor. Again, just exquisite features. Little LED lighting pop makes that mirror pop. Epoxy countertops. Walking up into, I guess you say, the mid-master bedroom. King size bed. One thing, you actually have a window above your headboard. So even more areas for ventilation. Every window opens. Great cross ventilation. Even the 2 side windows are in your master bedroom slide. Bedside nightstand. Dual USB charger. His and hers. Area for your CPAP machine. Once again, smart LED dimmers. Perfect lighting throughout this entire coach with all the ceiling lights. One thing you're going to notice, 1, 2, and 3 air conditioners on this unit. 3 air ACs on every Paradigm. Bedroom dresser, again, soft close. Another nifty little storage area. LED bedroom television. Walking into the front bathroom, huge front bathroom. Try to get up high here so you can see the amount of floor space right here. This shower is it's a residential seamless surround fiberglass pan with a fold down teak seat. I've already got on this at 225 pounds. It has no play on it, but the size of that shower is it's quite impressive. Soft closed toilet seats, solid. I mean, this thing is no plastic, all porcelain. Jumping into the shower, actually, here I'm going to just pan up to the vanity. Again, more accent lighting, windows on each side of the vanity mirror. Lighting above the sink where you need it, ladies and men, especially when you're trying to shave. It's just all these little features that make the Paradigm hands down one of the best fifth wheels we have in stock. Panning back around to the master bedroom again, into the bathroom. One thing that I absolutely love, try to open both doors here at once. The walk-in front closet, which brings you up into the nose of the fifth wheel. Plenty of room for hanging. Solid clothes rod right there. Shelving for shoes, whatnot, folded up sweater, anything and everything. Washer dryer prep, stackable. If you want to keep the shelves, you go with a combination unit. I'm actually standing right now inside the closet, going to pan back around here. Again, they utilize every space for storage. Huge hamper. Right across, bam, washer dryer. Back into the front bathroom. You have a nice deep linen closet right off the bath vanity. Again, soft residential soft close drawer glides and doors. Back through the mid master bedroom. Down the steps into the main floor. Just a nice area here. The main living quarters and kitchen. Paradigm is a crowd-sourced information, or how can I say this? Information crowd-sourced fifth wheel build. It's on a benchmark chassis. Just 41,000 BTUs of air conditioning, 42,000 BTU furnace. It is designed for the full timer, but don't let that mislead you. The average camper, I don't want to say the run of the mill, but the average, at least in central Pennsylvania and mid-Atlantic region, the March to November camper are just waiting to check these out. PVC roof, they're smart wired. All the wires are color coded. Each one of them gets a performance audit, a camp ready performance audit. So each one of these get a shakedown run once they come off the production line. It has to be the only manufacturer doing it, that at least of what we carry. No carpet anywhere in this unit, so it's pet and kid friendly. Again, just the storage features that you just find on this unit is just, and it's fascinating. It's exquisite. It's exciting. There's thought put into this product. It's trying to differentiate from anything on the market right now, and they're doing an excellent job because they listen to the customers. They listen to the end user. They listen to people like me who camp, fellow employees of myself that camp, and our customers who camp. If you're in a market for a Jayco Pinnacle, a Grand Design, Reflection, what else? I mean, Open Range RV, some of the higher end, the Cedar Creeks, whatnot. Check out the Alliance Paradigm. Again, this is the 370 FB front bath, loaded with residential features. Atrium windows throughout. I mean, if I would put these blinds up, this is all window. This is all window. You can view out over that campsite. If you're lucky and you camp somewhere where you don't got a neighbor and private ground or whatever, and you got your view already set up, it's going to be wonderful. Again, come check it out. It's here at Lerch RV. It just arrived, the Paradigm 370 FB. Give us a text. 717-667-1400. Give us a call at 800-722-1236. Find us online at lerchrv.com. It's lerchrv.com. Come see why we are Pennsylvania's largest towable RV dealership, and come see how the Paradigm can take you to the ultimate camping experience.